Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good now? Before starting the class, I want to say sorry to you all because this is your computer copy. One side plain, another side four line. Yesterday, while teaching the writing part, I showed you the picture of four-line copy and you have written on it. It is my mistake that I told you to write, but you have to follow this copy, this notebook. One side plain, another side four-line. Again, I want to say sorry to you all because you have to do hard work again for writing. Sorry for my mistake. So today we will go for machine. Before that, let's revise what we taught or what we learned yesterday. We learned about man-made things and natural things. Man-made things are those things which are made by man. As I told you, the things like pencil, pen, book are man-made things, and sun, moon, star, tree, bird, fruits, vegetables, all are natural things. We get them naturally. So let's start our lesson. Machine, page number 8 and 9. Page number 8 and 9. Let's start our class. Machines. Dear kids, today we are going to read about machines. Some man-made things are known as machines. We use different machines in our daily life. They help us to make our work fast, saves our time, and they are very useful for us. From the scroll book or your computer book, we are going to read page number 8 and 9. So, before that, let's know some things which we use in our daily life. Like washing machine, it is used to wash clothes. Refrigerator is used to keep things cool. A scissor is used to cut things. Yes, we cut papers, clothes, even our hair with scissor. A nail cutter and a paper cutter is used to cut nails and paper. A sharpener is used to sharpen a pencil. You use sharpener for sharpen your color pencil. Telephone. Telephone is also a machine used in our daily life. Telephone. How it ring karta telephone rhyme is there na? So telephone. Let's know the name of some more machines which we use in our daily life. So, other machines are there which we are using. Let's know their name. Laptop, mobile. You are taking your online classes on laptop or mobile phone. Mixture grinder used to grind things. टेलीविज़न व्हेन आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल छोटी थी तो ऐसा टेलीविज़न हमारा यूज़ होता था बट नाउ यू वॉच मूवीज़ प्रोग्राम्स ऑन this type of television some known as led calculator is used to calculate things big numbers oh see a different type of cycle first पहले जब साइकिल का निर्माण हुआ तो क्या हुआ ऐसे टाइप का बनाया गया पर एक्सपेरिमेंट ठीक नहीं रहा स्लोली बाईसाइकिल एडवांस हुआ सी इट बिकेम लाइक दिस नाउ एवरीबडी एन्जॉय इट ट्राईसाइकिल जब छोटे थे तो मम्मी पापा लाए थे ना आप लोगों के लिए सो ट्राईसाइकिल इज़ ऑल्सो ए मशीन लेट्स नो हाउ डू मशीन्स हेल्प अस इन आवर डेली लाइफ बहुत यूज़फुल होता है हमारे डेली लाइफ में विदाउट मशीन वी कैन नॉट डू आवर वर्क व्हेन वी वॉश क्लोथ्स विथ हैंड्स व्हाट हैपेंड इट टेक मच टाइम ईजी नहीं लगता, बाप रे बहुत कपड़े होते हैं धोने के लिए. बट when washing machine came, what happened? Washing became easy. Washing clothes in washing machine became much easy. So machine make our work easy. Using a washing machine, other machines make our work easy. Other things, let's see. Cleaning with hand. If you are cleaning any dish or anything, clothes, so it take much time, but there are vacuum cleaners, dishwashers, which makes our work more fast. In within a second, all the works happens very quickly. Machines help us to do our work faster. It makes our life also faster. पोस्टिंग ए लेटर, चिट्ठी पोस्ट किए हो? अभी तो तुम लोग नहीं करते होगे ना. हम जब छोटे थे तो हम चिट्ठी पोस्ट करने जाते थे. पोस्टिंग ए लेटर एंड ईमेलिंग ए लेटर. जब हम ईमेल लिखते हैं बहुत जल्दी लैपटॉप पे, डेस्कटॉप पे, तो बहुत जल्दी दूसरों को पहुंच जाता है. मशीन्स सेव आवर टाइम. पहले क्या होता था, चिट्ठी पोस्टमैन लेके इधर से उधर जाते थे. अभी machine made it easy. Come to page number 9. Checkpoint. See, number 1 question is there. What is written? Circle the pictures that are machines. मैंने अभी बहुत सारे machines के बारे में बोला है. So let's see. See, circle the pictures that are machines. Computer. Computer is a machine. And here is calculator. First one is your calculator. Circle it. Tree is not a machine. Yes, train is a machine. Fruits, basket of fruits is there. It is not a machine, but bicycle is a machine. So calculator, train and bicycle. You have to circle them. Number 2. Complete the names of the machines using the given clues. Clues are given here. See, A number. I help you to speak to your friend. So what is that? That is a telephone. So write the spelling. Telephone. Telephone. B. I help you to keep things cool. That is refrigerator. 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 You have to write the spelling like this. In notebook I have given you to learn the words. Come to 3 number. Circle the correct dialogues. Chintu and Minnie were talking on the telephone. So what Minnie is saying? Machines make our work difficult. Arey no. See what Chintu is saying. Machines make our work easy. तो यहाँ पर सही कौन बोल रहा है, चिंटू या मिनी? चिंटू बोल रहा है. यस, मशीन्स मेक आवर वर्क ईजी. हमारा काम ईजी कर देता है. दूसरे पार्ट में देखो, फिर से बात कर रहे हैं. मिनी क्या बोल रही है? मशीन मेक आवर वर्क स्लो. अरे स्लो कर देता है क्या हमारा काम? नो. फिर से देखते हैं. सर्कल द करेक्ट डायलॉग. द करेक्ट डायलॉग को हमें सर्कल करना है. मिनी क्या बोल रही है? व्हाट मिनी इज सेइंग टू चिंटू? मशीन मेक आवर वर्क डिफ़िकल्ट. नहीं बनाता. मशीन मेक आवर वर्क ईजी. यस, काम बहुत आसान कर देता है. नेक्स्ट में देखो, फिर से चिंटू और मिनी बात कर रहे हैं. तो मिनी बोली मशीन मेक्स आवर वर्क स्लो. काम स्लो कर देता है. चिंटू बोला अरे नहीं मिनी, मशीन helps us to do our work faster. So Chintu is right. Let's go for our notebook work. Put the date. What is the date today? 11/5/2021. You have to write there paste or draw any two natural things. Which side you have written the words of natural things, there only you have to paste pictures. On the man-made things also you have to write the date and paste or draw any two man-made things, any two, not more than that, and write the name. Next work is you have to put the date and learn the spellings. You have to write them down. Machines, telephone, machines, telephone, you have to write it 5 times. Refrigerator, Caesar, you have to write and learn them 5 times. Each 5 times you have to write and you have to learn the spellings. So, thank you, my dear kids. I will wait for you, and again, I want to say sorry to you all. Bye.